हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल एग्रीकल्चर नॉलेज हब। आज हम देखने वाले हैं एग्रोनॉमी सब्जेक्ट के मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट मल्टी चॉइस क्वेश्चंस। ये वीडियो एग्रोनॉमी टेस्ट सीरीज का थर्ड पार्ट है। पार्ट 1 और पार्ट 2 की लिंक आपके लिए आई बटन और डिस्क्रिप्शन में दी हुई है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो विथ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। फर्स्ट हाइब्रिड ऑफ सनफ्लावर एंड ऑप्शंस आर ऑप्शन ए BSH1, option B HB1, option C CSH1 and option D is BSH10, and the right answer is option A BSH1। BSH1 ये सनफ्लावर हाइब्रिड AICRP सिस्टम बेंगलोर ने डेवलप किया था। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इंडियन काउंसिल ऑफ एग्रीकल्चरल रिसर्च एस्टेब्लिशमेंट ईयर एंड ऑप्शंस आर ऑप्शन ए 1928, option B 1929, option C 1936 and option D is 1927, and the right answer is option B 1929। ICR की एस्टेब्लिशमेंट 16 जुलाई 1929 को हुई थी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज cotton species commonly called as island cotton and produce longest staple is, and options are option A Gossypium arboreum, option B Gossypium barbadense, option C Gossypium herbaceum and option D is Gossypium hirsutum, and the right answer is option B Gossypium barbadense। गॉसिपियम बारबाडेंस जो कि इजिप्शियन कॉटन के नाम से जाना जाता है और इस कॉटन स्पेसीज को आइलैंड कॉटन भी कहा जाता है। Next question is, which is the secondary nutrient for plant growth? And options are option A calcium, option B magnesium, option C sulfur and option D is all of this, and the right answer is option D all of this। Next question, who is the father of agrometeorology? And options are option A Koppen, option B Pietro di Crescenzi, option C Jethro Tull and option D is L.A. Ramdas, and the right answer is option D L.A. Ramdas। इन चारों साइंटिस्ट में कोपेंस ने क्लाइमेटिक क्लासिफिकेशन किया था। पीट्रो डी सिक्रेजेंसी को फादर ऑफ एग्रोनॉमी कहा जाता है और जेथ्रो टूल को फादर ऑफ टिलेज कहा जाता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, potassium fixation is maximum in dash dash type of clay minerals, and options are option A 2:1 with elite, option B 2:1 with montmorillonite, option C kaolinite and option D is chlorite, and the right answer is option A 2:1 with elite। Next question, soil water potential at hygroscopic potential is, and options are option A -0.1 to 0.3 bar, option B -15 bar, option C -30 bar and option D is -60 bar, and the right answer is option C -30 bar। Next question is, which is called deficient irrigation of scheduling irrigation, and options are option A moisture stress at all stages, option B moisture stress at critical stages and option C is moisture stress at non-sensitive stages and option D is all of these, and the right answer is option C moisture stress at non-sensitive stages। Next question, percentage share of water used by the crops under Indian canal system is, and options are 90%, 80%, 40% and 70%, and the right answer is option C 40%। Number 10, highest production of groundnut in world occupied by which country, and options are USA, India, Brazil and China, and the right answer is option A USA। इन चारों ऑप्शन में से ब्राजील ये कंट्री ग्राउंडनट की ओरिजिन कंट्री है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, US Soil Conservation Service divided the soil into dash dash classes according to its capability, and options are option A 5, option B 6, option C 7 and option D is 8, and the right answer is option D 8। इन 8 क्लासेस को लैंड कैपेबिलिटी क्लासेस भी कहा जाता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, Weed which reduce the juice quality of sugar cane is, and options are option A Aeginetia indica, option B Striga litura, option C both A and B, and option D is none of this. And the right answer is option C both A and B. Next question. IR8 rice variety is cross of DGU, and options are option A Jaya, option B Bala, option C Peta, and option D is TN1. And the right answer is option C Peta. Next question. Reflected radiation is known as, and options are option A direct radiation, option B scattered radiation, option C diffuse radiation, and option D is albedo. And the right answer is option D albedo. Question number 15. Individual crop species which is a part of multiple cropping system is called, and options are option A component crop, option B intercrops, option C mixed cropping, and option D is none of these. And the right answer is option A component crops. Next question. Component crops in the cropping system are equally competitive aggressivity indexes, and options are 1, 0, 2, and -1. And the right answer is option B 0. Next question. Normally followed spacing between hedgerows in LA cropping is, and options are option A 1 to 2 meter, option B 2 to 4 meter, option C 4 to 8 meter, and option D is 20 meter. And the right answer is option C 4 to 8 meter. Next question. Which is the relative measures of dispersion? And options are option A coefficient of variation, option B range, option C variance, and option D all of these. And the right answer is option A coefficient of variation. Next question. For accuracy of agricultural experiments, what level of probability is acceptable? And options are option A 0.01, option B 0.05, option C 0.10, and option D is 0.015. And the right answer is option B 0.05. Question number 20. Harvest index is low in, and options are cereals, pulses, oilseeds, and commercial crops. And the right answer is ऑप्शन सी ऑयल सीड्स। सीरियल्स का हार्वेस्ट इंडेक्स क्रॉप्स में सबसे ज्यादा होता है और सीरियल्स के मुकाबले पल्स एंड ऑयल सीड्स में हार्वेस्ट इंडेक्स कम होता है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 CN ratio of humus is, and options are option A 15:1, option B 10:1, option C 8:1, and option D is 30:1. And the right answer is option B 10:1. Next question. Vector of rice pungro is, and options are option A green leaf hopper, option B brown plant hopper, option C both A and B, and option D is none of these. And the right answer is option A green leaf hopper. Next question. Nationalization of banks was made during, and options are option A 1952, option B 1959, option C 1969, and option D is 1979. And the right answer is option C 1969. 1969 में टोटल 14 बैंक्स का नेशनलाइजेशन किया गया था। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हार्मोन which related to drought tolerance is, and options are auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin, and abscisic acid. And the right answer is option D abscisic acid. Question number 25 pest which attack all parts of plant is, and options are option A helicoverpa, option B spodoptera, option C termite, and option D is none of these. And the right answer is option C termite. हेलिकोवर्पा और स्पोडोप्टेरा स्पेसिफिक प्लांट पार्ट्स पर अटैक करते हैं बट टर्माइट टोटल प्लांट पार्ट्स पर अटैक कर सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन A line of equal wind speed is called, and options are isoheight, isotach, isopath, and isobar. And the right answer is option B, isotach. आइसोहाइट का मतलब है लाइन कनेक्टिंग इक्वल अमाउंट ऑफ रेनफॉल। वही लाइन कनेक्टिंग इक्वल डेप्थ बिलो वाटर सरफेस को आइसोबार कहा जाता है और लाइन कनेक्टिंग इक्वल प्रेशर को आइसोबार कहा जाता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सीक्वेंस सॉइल स्ट्रक्चर इज नेम्ड एंड द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, ग्रेड, क्लास, टाइप। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज embryo of seeds secrete the enzyme which induce germination processes, and options are auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin, and all of these. And the right answer is option B, gibberellin. Next question. The rate of photorespiration is low in which crop? And options are wheat, rice, sugarcane, and barley. And the right answer is option C, sugarcane. Question number 30. Which of the Indian state is popularly called as Soya state? And options are option A, Uttar Pradesh, option B, Madhya Pradesh, option C, Andhra Pradesh, and option D is Gujarat. And the right answer is ऑप्शन बी, मध्य प्रदेश। मध्य प्रदेश में सोयाबीन का इंडिया में सबसे ज्यादा प्रोडक्शन होता है। मध्य प्रदेश में पल्सेस प्रोडक्शन भी इंडिया में सबसे ज्यादा है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मोस्ट कॉमनली ग्रोन पोटैटो स्पीसीज इज, एंड ऑप्शंस आर ऑप्शन ए, सोलेनम ट्यूबरोसम, ऑप्शन बी, सोलेनम डिविसम, ऑप्शन सी, सोलेनम स्टेनोटोरम, एंड ऑप्शन डी, सोलेनम एंडिजियम। And the right answer is option A, Solanum tuberosum. Next question is, in Rothamsted, England, field experiment station was started during year, and options are option A, 1830, option B, 1837, option C, 1850, and option D is 1880. And the right answer is option B, 1837. Next question, in which season 18 months are required for sugarcane maturing? And options are spring, Eksali, Arsali, and none of these. And the right answer is option C, Arsali. Next question, which is the contact, non-selective, and zero persistent herbicide in soils? And the options are Paraquat, Atrazine, 2,4-D, and Bromacid. And the right answer is option A, Paraquat. Next question, variation of rainfall is high during dash dash season, and options are option A, winter, option B, summer, option C, southwest monsoon, and option D is northeast monsoon. And the right answer is option D, northeast monsoon. Next question, intermittent on and off system is following dash dash system, and options are option A, check flooding, option B, flatbed irrigation, option C, surge irrigation, and option D is level border. And the right answer is option C, surge irrigation. Next question, leading state in drip irrigation in India is, and options are Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and Maharashtra. And the right answer is option D, Maharashtra. महाराष्ट्र स्टेट में फ्रूट क्रॉप्स, वेजिटेबल्स और ड्राईलैंड रीजन में ड्रिप इरिगेशन का यूज सबसे ज्यादा किया जाता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फ्लूक्लोरेलिन इज जनरली अप्लाइड एज, एंड ऑप्शंस आर ऑप्शन ए, प्री इमर्जेंस, ऑप्शन बी, प्री प्लांट इनकॉर्पोरेशन, ऑप्शन सी, पोस्ट इमर्जेंस, एंड ऑप्शन डी इज प्री पोस्ट इमर्जेंस। एंड द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, प्री प्लांट इनकॉर्पोरेशन। Next question is, normal lapse rate is, and options are option A, 6.5 degrees Celsius, option B, 10 degrees Celsius, option C, 20 degrees Celsius, and option D is 12 degrees Celsius. And the right answer is option A, 6.5 degrees Celsius. Question number 40. Number of weed species are identified in the world is, and options are option A, 500, option B, 1000, option C, 3,000 and option D is 30,000. And the right answer is option D, 30,000. Question number 41. Parthenium weed is very serious problem in dash dash state of India. And options are option A, Jammu and Kashmir, option B, Tamil Nadu, option C, Rajasthan, and option D is Maharashtra. And the right answer is option D, Maharashtra. महाराष्ट्र स्टेट के ड्राईलैंड रीजन में पार्थियनम वीड का सीवियर प्रॉब्लम पाया जाता है। पार्थियम वीड कंपैरेटिवली हाईली रेनफॉल एरिया में कम पाया जाता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which of the weeds are rapidly controlled by mean than 2,4-D? And options are option A, nutsedge, option B, Canada thistle, option C, both A and B, and option D is none of these. And the right answer is option C, both A and B. Next question. Which one of the following common bread wheat belongs, which has chromosome number 42? And options are option A, hexaploid, option B, tetraploid, option C, triploid, and option D is diploid. And the right answer is option A, hexaploid. Next question. Which one of the following element is an important constituent of chlorophyll? And options are magnesium, zinc, molybdenum, and boron. And right answer is option A, magnesium. Question number 45. Statistical procedure for deciding the difference between treatments under study is significant or non-significant is called as. And options are option A, null hypothesis, option B, alternate hypothesis, option C, test of significance, and option D is all of this. And the right answer is option C, tests of significance. Next question. Which type of plants is more drought tolerant? And options are option A, C3 plants, option B, C4 plants, option C, CAM plants, and option D is both A and B. And the right answer is option C, CAM plants. Next question. In jute growing areas, the usual alternate crop is, and options are sugarcane, cotton, rice, and wheat. And the right answer is option C, rice. Next question. Which one of the following is the principal nitrogen fixing algal community of blue-green algae? And options are Rhizobium, Anabaena, Azotobacter, Azospirillum. And the right answer is option B, Anabaena. Next question. Triticale is a cross between, and options are option A, white and barley, option B, barley and rye, option C, wheat and rye, and option D is wheat and oat. And the right answer is option C, wheat and rye. ट्रिटिकल को मैन मेड क्रॉप भी कहा जाता है। इसे पहली बार जर्मनी में डेवलप किया गया था। और इस पार्ट 3 का लास्ट क्वेश्चन है क्वेश्चन नंबर 50। Soils high in swelling clays which crack widely upon drying resulting in shrinking, shearing and soil mass movement area characteristics of. And options are altisols, hentisols, pedzols and vertisols. And the right answer is option D, vertisols. So इस तरह हमने इस वीडियो में एग्रोनॉमी सब्जेक्ट के टोटल 50 क्वेश्चंस कंप्लीट किए हुए हैं। Thank you for watching us. If you like the information, then like and share the video. For more videos, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.